Compact Industrial RFID and Label Printer Consumable Installation Guide. Step 1. Setting up the printer. Postec GX Series is designed with a wide variety of applications in mind. To accommodate the different applications, the GX Series comes with a user-adaptable 1.5-inch or 3-inch media core. To change the media core, loosen the positional screw with a hex screwdriver and remove the outer 3-inch casing. Please store the parts in a safe place to prevent losing the smaller components. Step 2. Installing the media. Measure the size of the media rolls using the measurement tool on the cover. Adjust the left media guide rod position to fit the size of the media roll accordingly. Raise the right media guide rod and push the media onto the media core until it rests gently against the left media guide rod. Lower the right media guide rod and push it until it gently locks the media in place. Raise the printhead. Pull the media from underneath the media guide rod, between the media sensors, and through the printhead module. Gently push the media guides towards the edge of the media to lock it into position. Step 3. Installing ribbons. Please verify the type of ribbon being used is supported by the GX Series. When installing ribbons, please align the ribbon towards the center of the ribbon core. Remove the ribbon supply end adapter. Push the adapter through the ribbon. Replace the adapter with the ribbon installed. Rotate the left ribbon mount to lock the adapter into place. Pull out the ribbon and feed it along the exterior of the printhead module. Attach the end of the ribbon to an empty ribbon core on the ribbon take-up end. Rotate the left ribbon mount to keep the ribbon under tension. Lower the printhead and close the right cover. Step 4. Adjusting the media sensor. For media that doesn't fall under the category of labels with hole punches, irregular shapes, or black marks, it can be directly placed underneath the transmissive metal sensor with no adjustments. For labels with hole punches, please move the switch on the transmissive media center toward the left. For media with irregular shapes or black marks, please use the lower reflective media sensor. Move the media sensor to the area shown. With the printer in idle, select Settings, Media Sensor. Under the pop-up menu, select Lower Reflective. Step 5. Calibrating the media and RFID sensors. Turn on the printer. Press and hold the feed calibration for 4 seconds to initiate the automated media and RFID sensor calibration sequence. The installation is complete.